Do you know what the most important thing is when it comes to this video world? Welcome to Savvy Skills for Speakers, with a tip every Tuesday to help fine-tune your virtual professionalism on the video platform. Hi, I'm Amanda May Gray. Audio is actually more important than anything else. Having an external microphone is key. We can forgive pretty much everything else if we can hear you crystal clear. It's time to embrace the headset. These little guys you probably already have hanging around your house. But if you don't, you can pick up a pair for like 15 bucks. You can also use a lapel mic like I do for filming. You could use a full podcast mic. That will sound the most professional, but also cost the most money. You can use wireless earbuds that are Bluetooth, the ear pods, or even over-the-ear headphones, so long again as they have that external microphone. Your laptop and cell phone, they just don't have the best microphone when you're further away from them. That's our tip this week. Use the headset. Try not to get it caught in your hair. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next Savvy Skills for Speakers.